Meaning of hindlimb.
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 Hindlimb. Hindlimb refers to the back legs or hind legs of a four-legged, vertebrate animal, such as a dog, cat, or kangaroo. These limbs are located towards the rear of the animal's body and are primarily responsible for locomotion, jumping, running, and other forms of movement. The hind limbs consist of various anatomical structures, including the femur, tibia, fibula, metatarsals, and phalanges, which work together to coordinate movement and support the animal's weight. Understanding the structure and function of hind limbs is important in fields such as veterinary medicine, zoology, and biomechanics.